On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
Let's see if I can figure out the speedometer issue. Or I'll have to take the phone mount. You don't get ridden this time, Raven. I have solder, but I don't believe I have any heat shrink down here. Guess I'll have to pick some up. Well, I guess I'll cut it back and solder it. I guess I'll have to tape it again. Harbor Freight special, but it works. I'll pick up some heat shrink and do it upright another time. Yeah, I think I got it caught in there when I first bought the bike. Not long after I bought the bike, actually. So I guess we'll do a ride around the lawn, see if it works. If it doesn't, I'll take that phone mount. Nope, not working. Guess I should buy another one of these. Don't want to lose my phone. There. I'm gonna switch to my helmet. Andrew was saying there was some paint stuff going on out here.
Paint stuff?
Yeah, someone had paint or something.
Somebody wrecked a stolen pickup.
Oh, is that what happened?
Had a bunch of guns and stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, he said there was a pickup out here and there was paint or something all over.
Painting that tree right there. There's paint all over the pickup.
Oh.
Here and there where they throw some stuff in the bushes. I found a clip, a few bullets.
Really?
They just investigating because it was a stolen pickup. Yeah, they wrecked out here at 4:30 this morning.
Did you hear him?
Yeah, I thought it was thunder.
How you doing? I got to give you my cell phone number.
How are you today?
Good. I live a couple houses down on the right. My son, when he left for work, he was saying there was paint all over and there was a truck or something. So I guess that's what happened. I didn't even hear it this morning, but...
Well, we got a dog that don't like thunder.
Oh, they actually were right there. What do you think, they went through the power lines and come through?
Came this way. I followed their foot tracks earlier all the way back to the power line.
Oh, they went...
Found another clip. Headset, tackle boxes.
So they stole something from them? Or it was in the truck?
It was in the truck.
Oh.
Kept taking stuff out of the truck and hiding them. You can see the paint on the bushes everywhere. You know what happened to that?
I know, right? Yeah, I take a ride over my mom's, I think.
My mom was down here?
Yeah, my parents moved down about 7 months ago.
Oh, yeah?
Homosassa. So I guess I gotta keep an eye out if there's any magazines or guns on the side of the road when I come back and forth, huh?
Yeah.
I should go out through the power lines. Maybe they threw some out there.
Evidently, whatever they
He
got.
might have went down and hit it and come back over his house.
Ain't no.
What's her name's house? That's next to me.
I seen them in their yard with flashlights when they were.
Oh, they went over there where Lisa is?
When I look out my window at that end, I see flashlights in the yard, and they all had flashlights.
Oh. I have to look on my cameras.
You mind taking a look at him?
Yeah. I don't really have them looking at her stuff, but
They look at the road. 4:30's when they wrecked, so.
it looks like I just got my son when he's leaving at 7.
They're good to have, though.
Oh yeah. No, nothing this morning. Darn it.
Well, the way the front end was broke, like they broke the steering rod, tie rods or
Somewhere
something.
back down there.
When the tow truck picked it up, the tire, when it was sitting there, the tire was that way. When the tow truck picked it up, the tires flew all the way out this way. The bumper's hanging off. Well, I say airborne there and hit there, and that's probably when it broke and it just broke.
Alright, take it easy. Always something. See if I can find. They had some guns they stole out of the truck. Said he saw some magazines in his little bushes there they threw. Let's try this again. Someone stole a truck with guns in it, went for a joyride, wrecked it across from Eddie's house, and got out, threw some magazines and possibly the guns. That's definitely where they turned around, I think. My idle's still low though. He said it should be about 1,500. We'll do a 0 to 60 here. Do a 0 to 60 run here. I don't know if I ever checked the speedometer when it was working, if it was actually accurate or not. They're usually off 5 or 6. All bikes, even the Japanese bikes. Alright, got the other tune in. Might be slower because I know the GPSs on these phones lag a little bit. Plus, like I said before, these stock speedometers aren't ever really that accurate. When I did a 0 to 60, it might have been a 0 to 50 something. Yeah, I went through the power lines. I didn't see anything.
Okay.
I mean, I'm riding. I'm not looking as good as you guys, but
comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.